Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we are diving into Samsung's newest foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, if you are like me, you probably felt a little let down by last year's Fold 6. Yeah, we got a new chipset, but let's be honest, it was basically the Fold 5 with a different name. This year, that changes. The Fold 7 is finally a substantial upgrade both in hardware and user experience. There are some real wins, a few trade-offs, and plenty to unpack. So let's get into it. Samsung's completely redesigned the chassis. Each half of the phone is now little over 4mm thick, and when folded, it's just about 8.9mm. That's the thinnest fold they have ever made, and it really shows. The whole thing now weighs just 215 grams. To put that in perspective, it's actually lighter than the Galaxy S25 Ultra despite having two screens and a hinge in the middle. Samsung didn't just shave off thickness, they also redesigned the hinge, refined the frame, and even shrunk the fingerprint sensor and buttons to fit seamlessly. It feels way less bulky in the hand and far more like a premium slab phone when closed. For the first time, I could actually see this being my main everyday phone. So here is the bottom line. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's most refined foldable yet. It's thinner, lighter, faster, and finally gets the camera it deserves. But they have also cut some things like the S Pen and raised the price. If you have been waiting for a fold that feels like a true daily driver, this is probably the first one that delivers across the board. Would I recommend upgrading from Fold 6? Only if you care about the thinner design and the camera, but if you are new to foldables and want the best, this is it. The Fold 7 is the best foldable Samsung has ever made.